Alright, so we're going to do a video quickly on the college essay. That's what we're talking about right now. In the college essay, I'm going to give you some tips, a number of tips. You know, they're probably listed below, but you might want to take a pen out, paper, so you can jot these down for yourself as you're getting prepared to write your college essay. So, no specific order as far as these tips and how they will help you, but just something you have to understand about the college essay that will help you overall writing the essay is college admissions people read thousands of these essays, you know, every year, and they're always getting the essays. Now, if they're reading your essay, it means that you've gotten to the point of the admission process where you already have the right GPA, you already have the right test scores, you already have, you know, good grades in your schools and your class levels. So that's already done. That they're filing you into the file. If they're reading your essay now, these are actually. It's funny that you need to get the other things just to get your essay read. If your GPA is a 2.1 and you're applying to Yale, they're not going to read your college essay. so if they're reading your essay, understand that you are now in super competition. Right? You're at the point where they're trying to decide between you or somebody else who has similar grades, similar test scores, somewhere in America that is applying to that school. So this is where you really want to shine as best you can, and this will can either put you ahead or behind getting accepted or waitlisted into a college. So what you want to do is imagine that person is reading your essay, and they're sitting in a room, and there's stacks of essays all over, stacks of applications everywhere. It's a dark room. There's one light, shining on them, and they're just take an essay, read this, all right, take another essay and read this. Now, that's not what it's like, but the point is that what's going to make that person read your essay and go, oh, okay. All right, so that's it. You just want someone to say, "Yeah, that was a pretty good essay." All right, so something that's gonna spark an interest. And sometimes, but it doesn't have to be some crazy topic about how you saved a small village in Somalia. It just has to be sometimes just a well-written, well put together, clear, concise essay will do the trick because a lot of high school students don't learn how to really write essays and how to write papers really good. Most colleges, the whole first year, first semester, most freshmen have to take expository writing and just learn how to write a paper, a correct paper, and how to write properly. So just putting together a really good essay could sway the balance and could get that person's attention right off the bat. So here are some tips on writing your essay. All right. First off, speak as if you would speak how you normally speak in your essay. Like don't try to be someone else. Don't try and figure out what the person wants to read. That's not going to really work. And also, if you're a high school student and you have your grades, I'm going to tell you, do not go online, do not pull up someone else's essay and write an essay. I mean, you can literally go online right now and find essays. And I probably shouldn't be telling you that, but if you're a college student, you know this. You've seen college professors and stuff. They know, or college admissions people. They can see. They can see this stuff, right? So don't take and plagiarize an essay. It's not worth it. It's definitely not worth it as far as that goes. It could ruin your chances better than you get in having a better chance of getting in. So write your own essay. I guess I should say that as your first thing. But don't try to write like somebody else. Don't talk about somebody else's experience. Talk like you are. Pretend you went on an amazing trip. You want to be, and you were trying to explain to your friends your trip to Italy or to Egypt, or you went to Australia and you were explaining a trip to them. You would be enthusiastic. It's an experience that you had, and you would try to be as clear and as concise and paint as many pictures and make them want to see and feel what you felt. They never can. When you